this is more of the confusion with SBA because they're just willy-nilly,
Things not to do with your MySBA portal and action. With your COVID-19 EIDL, when you log into the MySBA portal to make your payments, here's some things we've discovered in recent weeks with the clients who've hired us to dispute their loan being sent to the United States Treasury for collection because the SBA claims it's in default. And what we are finding time and again, there are some errors in the payment process that have led to people not making their payments. So here's number one. Don't use auto pay, what the SBA calls recurring payments. Do not do it. I don't care how sharp you think you are. I had somebody last night tell me, she's like, well, I checked the bank statement. We have clients right now who had auto pay set up and didn't know that it wasn't coming out of their account until they got a delinquency letter, and now their files with Treasury.
Yeah.
So next, do not use a debit card or PayPal. Use only an ACH transaction on the MySBA portal. I saw a screenshot history of somebody's payments. When she was making debit card, PayPal payments, it said payment failed.
Can we just please have a short conversation about ACH?
You mean one of the most secure methods of paying?
Maybe that's because Zelle and PayPal and all these modern day methods.
Platforms.
There are millions of ACH transactions that happen every single day.
Oh, more than millions.
That you don't even know about.
Yeah. As a mortgage banker, I have been in facility with ACH for decades. Talking about huge tranches of money being transferred in this way. Last week, I Googled this, is ACH secure? And what I found in the results was a lot of, I don't want to call it misinformation, but a lot of ambiguity. Like if the Consumer Finance Protection Bureau's website about it is lame-o. They just describe what it is. They don't answer the question how secure it is. We're sharing with you that in our experience as financing service professionals with decades of experience, ACH is massively secure. Next, make your payment to your MySBA account 7 calendar days in advance of the due date. When you wait until close by the due date or pay on the due date, there is the danger that some lingering interest goes past the due date. The reason? The SBA might take 5 or 6 days to register your payment, to process your payment. And so that interest is going to keep ticking over, which could roll into next month and could basically put you in default because you've got accrued late interest.
I got to interrupt you again because this is where I feel SBA is really misguided in their protocols, that shouldn't be the case, that if you pay on time, there shouldn't be repercussions to the business owner who paid on time.
To be clear, I don't know for a fact that if you pay on the due date, that if it potentially puts you, what I'm trying to do is be responsive to the things we're seeing from people hiring us because their loan's been sent to Treasury. And it is a complete shit show of experiences that people have had. And today's video, we just wanted to share 3 of those things I've learned to help you manage your MySBA portal and your payments for your EIDL in a more effective way to reduce the chances that you wind up in collection or default.